Tuesday, February the 15th, Niseko, on the northern island of Hokkaido in Japan. I'm with my bro Pete. Pete, how'd you find out about this hill and what do you think?
Well, basically Niseko is the greatest resort for powder skiing in all of Asia. It's Japan is the #1 ski destination in all of Asia, and this is the #1 powder resort in Japan. So Niseko is famous for its world-class powder, for its glade skiing, which means skiing through the trees. There's about probably 6 feet of snow right now at the base, and there's going to be more up top. And basically, we've rented some big fatties. They're called ginormous. Well, these are not fatties, as you can see.
But they will be.
But we'll be skiing on fatties tomorrow. It'll be steep. It'll be powder. And Chris, you are in way over your head. But anyway.
That is our hotel, the Hilton. It has hot springs. It sits right at the foot of the hill. And there's Yotai, the volcano. And we're in a gondola facing downward, going upward. Pete, you're saying that's a volcano?
Yes, it is, Chris.
Is it going to explode?
Hopefully not.
Okay. We're doing a half-an-hour hike to get up to the other side of the summit. It's killing me. I didn't sign up for this. But I'm a Bruin. Hopefully the sacred volcano will guide me. It's amazing here. Mount Yotai, volcano princess, guardian angel of the snowboarders and skiers here at Mount Niseko. To the east, the reaches of the Pacific Ocean, just over those mountains, on the island here called Hokkaido, which means in Japanese, go Bruins. This place is heaven. I cannot believe it. And I will do my annual yawn. I wish you were here.
Woo, here we are.
Strawberry Fields forever. That's the name of this run. It is a valley of Allah. It's heaven. Look at the snow.
Look at the snow. So much snow.
Look at the trees. And look at that sun. We are in heaven.
Dude.
Good work, Richter. Cut! Cameras rolling and action.
Okay, so here we are in Niseko, and it's our last night at the Irish pub. Listen to Ben Folds 5 and other great tunes. It's been a great week. Some serious powder, some great skiing.
And two brothers
Two brothers
in the powder.
giving her.
Lovers, keep on the road you're on. Runners, until the race is run. Soldiers, you've got to soldier on. Sometimes even the right is wrong. They are turning my head out to see what I'm all about, keeping my head down to see what it feels like now. But I have no doubt one day